Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nourishing vegetable soup at home for patients. This guide focuses on creating a delicious and easily digestible meal. We will cover selecting the best ingredients, preparing them properly, and cooking the soup to perfection. Our goal is to provide a comforting and healthy option that supports healing and well-being. For our healthy vegetable soup, we will start with essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of potatoes. Don't forget 1 cup of leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, for extra nutrients. We will also use 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to begin our cooking process. Let's get cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and potatoes, sautéing them gently for about 5 minutes until slightly softened. Next, pour in the 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. To finish our delicious soup, stir in your leafy greens, like spinach or kale, during the last 5 minutes of simmering. This ensures they remain vibrant and nutritious. You can season the soup with a pinch of black pepper and fresh herbs, such as parsley, if desired. Serve the warm soup in small, manageable portions, making sure it has cooled slightly to a comfortable temperature for your patient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.